Good afternoon, this is Mr. Coleman with the latest video in the series Maths Revision Outside the Classroom. Today's video is entitled Simplifying Expressions and is suitable for 11 to 16 year olds. An expression is a piece of algebra that does not contain an equal sign. For instance, 2x plus 3x. Now, x's can be added onto x's in the same way as a bag of sugar can be added onto another bag of sugar. So 2x's plus 3x's make 5x. Similarly, 3x take away 2x equals x, because 3 take away 2 is 1, so it's 1x. 3x multiplied by 2x is 6x squared, because 3 times 2 is 6 and x multiplied by x is x squared. 6x divided by 2x is 3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3 and the x's cancel out. When it comes to different letters, however, these are called unlike terms and cannot be simplified in the same way. If you have 6x plus 2y, that cannot be simplified, nor can 6x minus 2y. If you have 6x multiplied by 2y, you can simplify it a bit. 6 times 2 is 12. So you get 12xy. 6x divided by 2y, you can divide the 6 by the 2 to get 3, and the answer is 3x over y. X squareds and x's are also unlike terms. If you have 2x squared plus x, you cannot simplify it, nor can you simplify 2x squared minus x. But 2x squared multiplied by x becomes 2x cubed, because x squared multiplied by x is x cubed. And 2x squared divided by x becomes 2x, because x squared divided by x equals x. When brackets are involved, you simply multiply everything inside the brackets by the term outside. For instance, if you have 4, bracket 2x plus 1, close bracket, 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times 1 is 4. So the answer is 8x plus 4. Similarly, if you have 2 brackets 3 minus 4y, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times minus 4y is minus 8y, so it's 6 minus 8y. However, you cannot simplify further, and you cannot add x's to numbers. For instance, 4x plus 2 cannot be simplified. 3 minus 4y cannot be simplified. However, they can be multiplied and divided. 3 times 4y is 12y. Because 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 divided by y is simply 3 over y. It cannot be simplified. But 4 divided by 2y is 2y, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it's simply 4. 4y divided by 2 is simply 2y. If you have 4y divided by y, the answer is 4, because the y's cancel. If you have 4y divided by y squared, you can cancel the y from the top and the y from the bottom to get 4 over y. And if you have 4y squared divided by y, you simply get 4y. So remember, you can add x's onto x's, you can add y's onto y's, you can add x squareds onto x squareds, but you cannot add x's to y's or x squareds to x's. However, you can multiply and divide depending on the nature of the expression. Now is the time to go and practice some questions on simplifying expressions. Goodbye.